videotaping you
No, he is.
destroying your motor controller.
He's going to report you to the company.
Yep.
Okay.
Tell us what you're doing,
If
Jacob.
he doesn't, I will. Yeah.
Trying to heat up the epoxy in order to make it softer so I can pop the bottom of this
You
motor
might be
controller
making it
out.
harder. If it's epoxy, you might be making it harder.
Well, harder means more brittle though, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's true.
There it is now.
Somehow get it off here. I don't think I'm going to do anything here. It's just not coming off.
Yep.
To steam it off or something.